Finally, after many years, the world record for the 3x3 Rubik's Cube has been broken. And right now, I'm shooting this video at 5 in the morning. When I found out, man, I was shocked. I had hopes for Timon Koleshinsky, but the whole world had hopes for Max Park. He'll break the next 3x3 Rubik's Cube world record, let me tell you. The previous single world record was 3.47 seconds, and now the world record that Max Park broke is 3.13 seconds in 3.13 seconds. Solving the 3x3 is tough for us. We can't do it in 3 moves. It's hard. In today's video, we will reconstruct this solve and see how Max Park solved it. Pseudo-slotting was used here, making for an efficient solve. Some luck helped, including a permutation of the last layer skip. This will be a lot of fun. Guys, first of all, this is the scramble on top. You guys can also take a look at it. Here's the scramble. X2 was done during inspection, then the solve began. Let me tell you, Max Park used the white cross, because there wasn't a better option than white here. I'm not saying this, and Max Park didn't either, but since Max Park solved the white cross, white must have been the best choice. You can see that orange and red are already in place, and green can be placed easily in one move, just one move for green. Once that's done, Max Park did DD here, meaning D2, D, and then D. After that, he inserts the blue here. So that's done for us. You can see the cross is complete, the cross is done, but at the same time this corner piece is in place, and you can see this is the edge piece for the corner, which means we just need to insert this edge piece here, and we can make a pair. Like, if I align the cross as well, and if we place this edge piece first, then we can make our X cross. But this is a pseudo pair, not a pseudo pair, which solves the corner piece at the same time, and also solves the edge piece. So we'll look at this corner now. Placing this corner also places the edge automatically. It's a bit tricky, but you'll get it when we try. This edge is white, red, green, instead of white, red, green. Max Park once did D and inserted the whole pair here. When this pair was inserted here, see, this corner got solved, and at the same time, the edge was also solved. Now, if we do D2, our X cross will be formed, and a corner at the back will also be solved, but Max Park didn't do D2 yet. He only did D for now. This edge piece was solved at the back because its corner was already done, so this edge piece was simply inserted at the back using R', U', R, and finally when D was done, Max Park solved it with a double X cross. And after that, there was a bit of luck here that a pair was already made at the back for Max Park, which Max Park simply solved at the back. And this was the last pair, which is an easy F2L case. You guys know, we can simply take it out like this to solve it, and it was solved at the back. Max Park did it, and finally orientation of the last layer, in which we didn't have to do anything special, just did the direct orientation of the last layer, and finally at the last, it was you, not ours, it was Max Park's, it was Max Park's. Man, I can't even say it. AUF. The last was you, AUF, and this solve was 3.13 seconds. Man, this solve was absolutely insane. I want to try solving this same scramble now, although honestly, it's kind of embarrassing for me. He can't even like it if he wants to, but let's try to solve this with the same solution. First try, man. Oh. Yeah, I was thinking, what was that? The first track is done. I hope something good is going to happen now. Yeah. .9, not bad. Anyway, somehow we managed to complete this solve, and I think that's it for today's video, man. I'm surprised. What's going on? I think now, I don't know when the world record will be broken, or if it will be, but getting a sub 3 is possible, officially in the world solve. I'm starting to feel that way, and I think let's end today's video here. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I don't know what else, man, just subscribe.